All right, we've got a question from Jackie. It says, so I know that I can vacillate between self-loathing and absolute contempt for other people. I also know that these are both signs of depression. But I have yet to find a way to truly manage my gut reaction, which is usually volatile and angry, either inward or outward, depending on the trigger. I don't want to be this way, and I don't know how to even start changing my default. I don't feel like I should be at an entry level in this process, but you'd think I haven't been working on this for years and years already. I'm not even sure there is a real question in all this. I can find the question here. Thank you for sharing, Jackie, and I am super open to non-question, messy questions, and I will decipher what the question is. If that's the best you can do, we work with ourselves right where we are. So I'm okay with those kinds of things being thrown at me if you can't find the question and what you're naming. Okay? So I'm going to go through it line by line. Jackie says, so I know that I can vacillate between self-loathing and absolute contempt for other people. The more that we do self-acceptance work, I promise you, the easier it is, without even really trying, to accept other people. If we're highly sensitive, we're the observers. Now, there's beauty to that and there's burden. The beauty is that I can look out and I can see every beautiful interaction. I can watch someone smile at someone and think, oh, that's so loving, that's so beautiful. But I can also see and feel a whole lot of dysfunction. Okay? That is the beauty and the burden of being highly sensitive. It's similar to how we process ourselves also. See if I can make sense of what I'm trying to say. When we have a lot of anger, so there's a lot of vagueness in what was shared, so I don't know quite where this is coming from, so I'm going to do my best. But a lot of us as sensitive people, we do not want to be angry. The anger that we're feeling is part of our process. And it's easy to be in acceptance of who we are and our journey when we're feeling successful, when we're feeling how we want to feel. One of the things that we don't want to feel as a collective tribe is angry. And what happens there is we can get stuck in a self-loathing when we have a lot of anger to process. In my own story, I was very angry for years at how hard it was to practice my anger. I wanted those exercises that a therapist could give me to hurry up and get through my anger. And I would doubly get angry and frustrated when life would throw something else crazy at me. And I was so angry that I couldn't get from anger within myself and within other people. And what that boils down to for me is more of a resistance to accepting where we are when we aren't where we expect ourselves to be. And that shows up as a projection. When we're walking around subconsciously or just under the surface of our consciousness, pissed off, it compounds. I'm angry that I'm angry. I'm angry that it's this hard to work on anger. I'm angry that I have to do this anger. I'm a happy person. I don't want to do this anger. And that, whether we say the words to ourselves this way or not, winds up being a, what's wrong with me that I'm angry at myself and at other people? I think that part is letting go of that kind of shoulding on ourselves. I should be past this. I spent many years in therapy stuck on that. I suspect that most highly intelligent, highly sensitive people and empaths, when we have had a lot of struggle, a lot of trauma, a lot of neglect, a lot of abuse, that's the process.